Is Mummy a big girl? Is Daddy a big boy or a little boy?
Little boy.
He's a little boy. Are you sure? Or is he a big boy?
Big boy.
And what's Mummy?
Mommy boy.
What's
Mummy's a girl.
What does Mummy have?
Teddy.
Oh, don't say that anymore.
Teddy.
Is Harry a big boy or a little boy?
Little boy.
He's a little boy. Is Daddy a big boy?
Big boy.
What's Mummy?
Mommy.
What is she? Boy or a girl?
Girl.
I'm a girl. That's right, big girl.
Teddy.
Harry!
Teddy.
No.
Eyes.
Mummy has got eyes.
And
Teddy.
yes.